Hey everybody, it's Crystal with the Crystalina Perspective. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a few ideas of how to use your sketchbooks. This first idea is to create a mood board. A mood board is essentially just an inspirational color scheme that you use to create with. The next idea as we move on is a mood tracker. So similar to the mood board, a mood tracker, you basically come up with a theme and you track your moods throughout the month to kind of see how your moods have been fluctuating. This is very good for people like me that struggle with anxiety and mood disorders such as bipolar, because you're able to keep a track of what time of the month was the most elevated for you. Disclaimer, as we go through this video, I do want you guys to know that you will see 7 different ideas. There will be more on the blog over at Archer and Olive. So as we get ready to transition into our third idea, this is a really cute memory spread. So I really wanted to use this ink and flowers. And so basically I used the ink and the flowers and just decided that I was going to do a quick memory spread about my first impressions of joining the Archer and Olive design team. So you can use your sketchbooks to do memory spreads, and they are a great palette or a great canvas for you to be able to add many layers to them, as well as be able to do a variety of different things. As you guys can see, I used ink. Now I am using stickers. So the sky is essentially the limit when it comes down to utilizing various areas and space in your sketchbooks from Archer and Olive. Okay guys, so we're moving on to idea 4. This is stamp art. So if you have tons of stamps, whether they are rubber or wooden, whatever the case may be, you can use your stamps to create beautiful art on the pages. You can get very fun and creative with this process and just let the stamps do the work for you. No drawing is necessary. The next idea is a washi inspired dashboard. There are so many different things that you could do with your washi tape. So if you have a huge washi tape collection, then you could take this time to make really cute dashboards, or you could make washi swatches and swatch those washis within your sketchbook. And this will just give you the opportunity to be able to showcase what washis that you have. Alrighty guys, so we're going to move on to our next idea, which is a gratitude spread. Use those stickers. So basically just jot down what you're thankful for and you have your gratitude spread. And following the gratitude spread, we have a goal spread. So once again, we're using stickers and things from our stash, and we're just going to list out our goals and actions on how we want to accomplish those goals. This is 7 different ways on the video, but there's other things you could do, such as a recipe keeper, creative journaling, junk journaling. You also could get really creative and do a monthly or weekly spread. And none of those things require you to draw. You could use stamps or stickers. So have fun.